Hey guys, Jenna here, and as part of my new tiny vacation rental series, I'm going to show you a unique tiny cabin on the west coast of Iceland. What's so unique about this tiny cabin? Well, 40% of it is made of glass, giving you the opportunity to see the beautiful Icelandic landscape as well as the northern lights. Let's go see the inside.
Make this house our tiny home.
The Icelandic landscape is diverse and has an almost mythical quality. From roaring waterfalls to glacial lagoons to otherworldly ice caves, the country is a favorite among nature lovers. In my opinion, the best way to see the most alluring sights in a short amount of time is to rent a car and drive along the ring road, booking accommodations on your route. This way, after a jam-packed day of staring at fantastic scenery, you can settle into a rural vacation rental and wait for aurora to hopefully show up. And what better way for me to view the show than from a comfy tiny house that offers panoramic views? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous! Look at that view! It's amazing! Guys, so on this side of the tiny cabin we have the kitchen, dining room, bathroom, and a little bit of a closet area. Let's look at it a little closer. So down here we have a little mini fridge, 2-burner stove, little sink. It looks like they provide some rice, cereals, pasta, tea, coffee. Seating for 2 for dining. This is mostly used for a couples getaway or a honeymoon vacation rental. There's not a whole lot of restaurants in the area, so I think a lot of people who come here, they stay here, they cook their own meals, they enjoy the scenery, they enjoy the hot tub, and they enjoy the northern lights, and they don't really leave. Let's go check out the bathroom. Wow, it looks really, really modern, doesn't it? They used a lot of tile, rock, and I love this live edge wood countertop that they've done. And look at this, this looks like a piece of big, like maybe it's a dragon's egg from Game of Thrones, but this looks like a big rock that they've carved out to create the sink. It's beautiful. Check out this shower head. It's gonna give you a waterfall effect. And if you're not lucky enough to see aurora dance across the sky, well, they've included an artificial show in the bathroom. For being such a tiny cabin, this is a pretty luxurious bathroom. But the best part of this entire cabin is obviously the bedroom because it's surrounded by glass, allowing you to see the gorgeous landscape and the northern lights. The view here is just incredible. But if you want a little bit of privacy, they also have shades. Now you have privacy. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video? Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to get a notification when I post a new tiny house or travel video.